أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين ومن تبعهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين رضوان الله عليهم أجمعين. أما بعد. الدرس الخامس والعشرون. أين أنور يا عمر؟ Where is Anwar, O Umar? لا أدري. لا أدري. I don't know. رأيته قبل قليل. I saw him before a while. I saw him before a while. Before some time. كان واقفا خارج الفصل. Was standing outside the class. كان واقفا خارج الفصل. Was standing outside the class. كيف حال أمار الآن يا سعد؟ كيف حال أمار الآن يا سعد؟ How is Ammar now, O Saad? What is the condition of Ammar now, O Saad? كان مريضا منذ أسبوع. Was sick. He was sick since a week. He was sick since a week. لا يزال مريضا يا فضيلة الشيخ. He is still sick, O honorable Sheikh. سمعت أنه يريد أن يترك الجامعة ويرجع إلى بيتي. أصحيح هذا؟ Is this correct? I heard that he wants to leave the university and return. He wants to discontinue the university and return to his home. Is this right? لا هذا غير صحيح. No, this is incorrect. غير صحيح, incorrect. This is not correct. This is incorrect. ماذا يعمل أبوك يا إبراهيم؟ سمعت أنه وزير. What is your father doing, O Ibrahim? I heard that he is a minister. كان وزيرا قبل سنتين. He was a minister before 2 years. والآن سفير. He is now an ambassador. Safir, ambassador. ماذا يعمل أبوك يا عمر? And what is your father doing, O Amr? قال لي أحد زملائك إنه مدرس. One of your classmates said to me that one of your classmates أحد زملائك قال لي said to me إنه مدرس. Indeed he is a teacher. That is, one of your classmates told me that he is a teacher. كان مدرسا من قبل وهو الآن مفتش في المدارس الثانوية. He is مفتش, inspector in secondary schools. مفتش. وماذا يعمل أبوك يا يعقوب? And what is your father doing, O Yaqub? كان شرطيا. He was a police constable. وهو الآن متقاعد. And he is now retired. متقاعد, retired. شرطيا, police constable. يا أبا بكر. O Abu Bakr. قلت لي, you said to me, قبل 3 سنوات, before 3 years. before 3 years. Inna abaka amidu kulliyatil handasati. Indeed, your father is amidu kulliyatil handasati, dean of college of engineering, that is engineering college dean. A mutaqaidun huwal ana, is he retired now? Is he retired now? A mutaqaidun huwal an? La. La yazalu amidan. No, he is still the dean. Ya akhtar, O akhtar, samitu anna akhaqa tabibun shahirun. I heard that your brother is a famous doctor. وَيَأْتِيهِ الْمَرْضَى مِنْ جَمِيعِ أَنْحَاءِ Pakistan. And patients are coming to him. Al-Marda, Marid Al-Marda. Patients are coming to him from all sides of Pakistan. Asahihun hada? Is this correct? Naam, hada sahihun ya fazilata shaykh. Yes, this is right. Oh, virtuous shaykh, honorable shaykh. Ya Usman, idhhab ilal maktabati wa hatil juzwa salisa min lisanil arabi. Ya Usman, go to the library and bring wahatil juzwa salisa and bring third part of Lisanul Arab. Lisanul Arab. Lisan means tongue. Ya Fazilata Shaykh, Azunnu anna Lisan al Arabi Mojamun. I guess that the Lisanul Arab is a dictionary. Naam, huwa Mojamun Kabirun fi Ishrina Juz'an. Yes, it is a big dictionary in 20 volumes. Fi Ishrina Juz'an, 20 volumes, 20 parts. Liman huwa ya Fazilata Shaykh? Who is the compiler or whose is it? Oh, Fazilata Shaykh, respectable Shaykh, Wal ibn Manzur. It is compiled by Ibn Manzur. It is by Ibn Manzur. Li means by. It's by Ibn Manzur. Yarji'u Usmanu. Usman returns. Al maktabatu mughlaqatun ilana ya Shaykh. The library is closed now. O Shaykh, يقولون إنها كانت مفتوحة إلى أذان الظهر. Indeed, it was open till Zuhar Azan, that is Azan of Zuhar. It was open. Indeed, it was open إلى أذان الظهر. يا عباس قل لأخيك الذي يدرس في السنة الثانية يأتيني غدا. Tell your brother who is studying in the second year, come to me tomorrow. سأقول له إن شاء الله. I will tell him إن شاء الله.
لبيك اللهم لبيك 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 اللهم لبيك 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 لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك اللهم